Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In Go learning series, we will see one more common mistake which we do in Go language and we have a wrong result. And that is called number with zero problem. And you see that if I run this program, that is very simple. If I run this program, the output is 118. But if I do a manual calculation, that would be 100 plus 10 into 2 is 20 and 1 into 2 is 2. That means answer should be 122. You see, if I remove the 0 from the beginning and I run once again, so I have the same 122 result. But if I put 0 here like this, so I have a different result. You see, what a confusion. So if we do, because usually we do 0, if we write some amount and we write some currency, so by default we do all these types of mistakes and we have a wrong result, and it may be a big problem if we do not know why this problem is coming. So this problem is coming because you see that the octal, the base 8 value start with 0. So if I put here a 0, that means it is by default an octal value. And if there is a decimal number 10, because we always represent number in decimal, then it never start with 0 in Go language. So it is 100, but it is not 100, it is octal 100. Remember, so it is not 10, it is octal 10. It is not 1, it is octal 1. And if we have a hexadecimal, means we have a base 16, then it start from 0x. Usually in other languages also we start from 0x. But in other languages, if we take number like this, we do not have this kind of things. It only possible here in Go language. So you have seen the problem. So we have to remove this. Then we will have the desired output. I think you have learned one more tips in Go language. One more common mistake that make the big loss to us. So if you really like this video, kindly share this video, like this video, consider this channel to be subscribed, and thanks for watching this video.